Hey troops, it's Roy from Geeks Adventures. Woohoo! Doing a very quick broadcast from the green couch in the Clintonville section of Columbus, Ohio. So why the heck am I doing this on a Monday night when I'm really, really tired and really burned out? So flipping through the internet, news, movie stuff. Oh, props to Black Panther! Yeah! Woo! Okay, now you guys are kind of sick and tired of hearing this, but Wakanda forever! Yeah! Actually, two things. That's the first thing, the obvious thing. So what does this mean as far as the odds of actually winning the Oscar for Best Picture? This gets interesting. Because frankly, when the announcement was made, oh, they gave Black Panther the nomination for Best Picture. Well, since they expanded the list for the Oscars for 10 pictures, it's like, oh, okay, now so you won't feel so bad. So you can actually nominate stuff that people have watched that was still good. So all of you hoity-toity Oscar types can go, see, we nominated a movie, yeah, and give the award to a movie that like 7 people have actually seen. Yes, I'm being a schmuck about this. Anyway, yes, I'm one of those dorks who still remembers The Dark Knight. Yes, I hold a grudge. Ugh. I'm also a football fan and a Dallas Cowboy fan, so trust me, I hold a grudge. Anyway, the reason I bring this up is because, Screen Actors Guild Award, you're like, so what? So they picked an ensemble, blah, 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 blah. Here's the deal. For the folks that vote for the Oscars, you have all the specialties, special effects, they vote for their stuff. For actors, they vote for their stuff, directors vote, blah, blah, blah. Best Picture, everybody. Everybody. You want to know who the biggest block is? Yeah, the actors. So now there's a bit of an issue. Traditionally, how do you win Best Picture? Well, your picture needs to get nominated for Best Director. Sorry, Ryan. So now there is precedent for winning one but not the other, as Spielberg will attest to after winning Best Director for Saving Private Ryan and going, who won Best Picture? So it has happened. So what does this mean? Things get interesting on Oscar night. Is it going to win? It just, like I said, it just makes things interesting. I don't think the numbers for the Oscars are going to spike because 20 million comic book and superhero movie geeks are all going, it's going to win, it's going to win, it's going to win. No. But on the other hand, hey, you never know. And besides, considering what happened that one night, what was it, 3 years ago? La La Land won for Best Pick. No, it's Moonlight. Can we have the envelope? Anything's possible. The second thing, and also another big surprise. Like a lot of DC geeks, movie geeks in general, superhero geeks, and guys like me who are cynical little bastards who just talk smack endlessly. Talking about Warner Brothers and their ongoing projects, yada blah 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 blah. Got a pleasant surprise. I get, there's been talk about Birds of Prey, bringing in, Margot Robbie coming back as Harley Quinn, yada, yada, yada. And I've been like, all right. Just because, hey, Green Lantern movie. Hey, Cyborg, Flash. Just saying, another Superman movie. Maybe bringing another Batman movie? Huh? Just saying. Internet's going, oh, there's a about 20-second teaser for Birds of Prey. So apparently, yeah, they're serious. Yes, I'm talking smack about it endlessly. Allegedly, these suits in Warner Brothers have a business plan of, yeah, we're just going to release movies now that are cool. How damn stupid are you to think that's a business plan? That's what you should be doing, period. That's not a business plan. That's getting a clue. Yes, I'm grumpy and bitter about this. Anyway, so how does it? It's a 20-second teaser. It doesn't mean anything, but not nothing. It means that hey, something cool's on the way. Hopefully. And besides, aside from Wonder Woman for 2020, we really don't know what the next project's going to be. Like I said, some business model, guys. Whatever. But anyway, hopefully it's a good sign. The never mind. If I keep babbling about this too much, it will turn into an old grumpy guy rant, which is not cool. Anyway, so hey, there is hope that another one coming up. So anyway, y'all have a good night. Have a good rest of the week. If you're in Columbus, Ohio, stay dry, stay warm, yada, yada, yada. And as always, may the force be with you. May the odds be in your favor. Let's be good to each other, okay, peeps. Have a good night. Later.